When setting out the water stop angle, align the waste and water stop angle square to the room and tile set out. Mark on the substrate using a pencil the positioning of the water stop angle. Mark and bend the water stop angle to the desired angle. Fit the water stop angle into place and check the levels. Apply a bead of ARDEX CA 20P Plus directly to the substrate. ARDEX CA 20P is ideal for bonding most construction materials, including glass, tiles, ceramics, wood, plastic and metal. Once in place, seal off all junctions between the water stop angle and substrate. Wipe off any excess using a scraper and the ARDEX SG silicone smoothing spray. Don't forget to seal the waste outlet and expose screw fixings.